Hello everyone, just like on Android where we can use Google Lens powered by Gemini anywhere on the screen, you can now do this exact same thing on your iPhone as well with a single tap or double tap. So as you can see, I have enabled this feature on my iPhone and it lets me use Google Lens anywhere on the screen anytime I want. On Android, we usually activate it by long pressing the home button or the navigation bar. From there, we can highlight text, copy image, or we can do more like translate the thing, and we can even search images directly from the screen using this Google Lens feature. It's incredibly convenient. So how to activate this on your iPhone? It's pretty easy. For that, you just need to do few things under the settings and that will get you things done. So you can see it's pretty convenient on Android, which lets you find the things. So let's make it work for iPhone as well. Okay, so first you need to go to the settings and then you need to look for the accessibility, and under that you will find touch option. Scroll down and tap back tap and choose either back tap or the other option, but I recommend you to go with the double tap to avoid accidental triggers. So select here the search with Google Lens and that would be all. Once you pick this option, it's gonna activate whenever you just hit double tap back of your iPhone. It will instantly work like this. So you can see I have just given it the back tap and it's listing me with this result where I can see the Nike shoes and it identifies the product and shows detailed information with just double tap on the back of iPhone. So it's pretty nice, right? So whenever you feel like you need to look over something or wherever you are on any app, whether it be your Instagram, Safari, photos, anything you name it, you just have to hit back tap and that will give you the thing. And after following that, you can also follow up more about that image. You can just type like get me the original official page where I can get these shoes. So it will follow up that question and will list you with the proper information and result. So yeah, that's how it will give you all the results. Isn't it nice? So guys, this is how you can make this work and you can do all the things. Combining Google powerful AI tools with iPhone gives you the best of both worlds, because usually don't get by default on iPhone because it's protected by Apple's environment. So now you have both Google and Apple's ecosystem and you can make it work anywhere by just tapping double time on back of your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. We work hard to bring you useful tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.